Hey everybody, thanks for coming to WXedge.com. I am Storm Team Meteorologist Sam Kintro with, of course, an update on the technical forecast discussion that technically includes some snow today or tonight. It isn't going to be very much though. Now, if you haven't cleared off your sidewalks yet, you're probably going to want to. And not only should you do that, you should probably throw some sand, maybe some salt out there too, because if you have a little bit of snow that's on there right now, maybe a little bit of ice, it's going to get exponentially more slippery as we get through this next snowstorm, which, by the way, is not very much. Now, if you were over on WTNH.com and I gave you the forecast, I told you I'd talk about the hour by hour here and also give you some snowfall totals. So let's go and do that. Today, we see the clouds thicken. Honestly, today is going to look very similar to the way that it was yesterday. A flurry or two possible late this afternoon. This will be not a big deal for us. 6 p.m., some light snow in western Connecticut. Pause it a couple times today or tonight. 9:30, light snow falling statewide with a quick moving clipper system that's passing by. It's pretty much out of here by the time we get to about 11, 12 o'clock tonight with a few lingering flurries overnight. To be honest with you, I'm really kind of doubting the chance for school cancellations tomorrow just because of the timing of this and how little it's really going to be. Some spots may see even less than 1 inch of snow. And then we start tomorrow off with high pressure building in, and high pressure controls our weather all the way through the day on Wednesday. So how much of an impact is it? Honestly, it's not much. Some areas will see even less than 1 inch of snow. Most of the state between about 1 inch and 2 inches. And if we see enough of the fluffy stuff, we could see an isolated 3-inch snowfall total. And that's mostly because as the night moves on, the temperatures are declining down. And when they do, the snowfall ratios will be increasing too. If you factor in, let's say, 10-to-1 ratio, average out the forecast models, we're looking at close to about 1 inch of snow statewide. So my feeling is with a 15-to-1 ratio around what we'll probably end up seeing, maybe even higher than that inland, that could end up giving us enough fluffy, dusty snow to give us 2.5 inches for a few different areas. Regardless of how much snow we end up getting tonight, which is not going to be very much, I highly doubt you'll need to use a snowblower. Probably just as easy to use a shovel if you want to save yourself a couple bucks, not have to gas that thing up. So after tomorrow, or after today, I should say, high pressure builds in, and high pressure really controls our weather all the way into the day on Wednesday. After that, we see a little bit of a change in the pattern. High pressure breaks down, and a series of lows move through. The first one moves through on Thursday. The confidence for this, for the forecast Thursday onward, is very low. Some of the models show rain and some light snow on Thursday. Others show mostly snow on Thursday. This is going to be one of those things that I'll have to watch. And it's sort of a series of lows that sort of trail behind that too. The Euro showing some snow possible on Friday, or a mix possible on Friday. Same thing as we get towards the end of next weekend. The GFS showing something totally different. So my feeling is if you have plans for next weekend, don't get scared yet. Same thing even for Thursday or for Valentine's Day on Friday. None of these storms look like major ones. Of course, there's time for that to change. We are obviously, 4 or 5 days out right now. But the forecast up to Wednesday, pretty high confidence in that, with us seeing a very low impact storm overnight tonight. Could cause some slippery roadways if you have any dinner plans though. Shouldn't cause any problems for the morning commute tomorrow. And then high and dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but the temps are going to be cold. And we do get above freezing from what I'm seeing for the day on Thursday. And the above freezing temperatures could be around for a couple days before the cooler temps come on back. All right, for the forecast and numbers, head on over to WTH.com. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching the video. Thanks for coming here to WXedge.com. A lot of other great articles here. If you are a bird watcher, we got some awesome ones on here for you. Also talking about the snowpack across the state, which is going to be increasing by 1 inch or 2 overnight tonight. All right, have a great day. I will see you all back here tomorrow, reporting live from the Mobile Weather Lab.